All right, we're gonna kind of take this back to what I've done in the past in regard to product reviews. Now, today, the special guest, if you will, is Rugged and Dapper. Now, to kind of go along with the Rugged and Dapper scheme of things, we're gonna need a wardrobe change. Hold on one sec. Alrighty, here we are. Hair slicked back, white V-neck. Does this make me look a bit cooler? Please don't answer that question because I think I know the answer. But I did that because if you haven't checked out Rugged and Dapper already, well, I wouldn't really expect you had, but if you haven't, go check it out. They have a really cool style and kind of approach to their brand. Nonetheless, we have the product in front of us. Let's check it out. Now, truth be told, I did already go through this box and I tried a few things out. Not everything, but I'm gonna save you some time. And if my recommendation, if you do get anything out of this, their cologne, absolutely amazing. Now that's if you like a lighter citrus scent, more catered towards a daytime scent, but I personally would wear this at night. And the scent of their cologne is called Ronin. Let me take it out of the box and show you what the bottle looks like. It is a 3.4 fluid ounce bottle and it goes for $42. And trust me, believe me, it's well worth the price if you are into colognes. But yeah, it's just, again, it's just a nice light citrus smell that you can, I mean, it's probably suggested you wear during the day, but I would most definitely and will wear this at night. So there's that, there's the cologne. Now, this is a beard channel and we do discuss beard oils, balms, sprays, and butters. So let's get right into their hair and beard oil. All right, let me open this up. It is a 2-ounce bottle and it goes for $16.95. It has all the ingredients that your typical premium beard oil would have. And the smell, it's something that I do prefer. It has a jigger on the top, so every time that you tap your bottles to your hand, it lets out about a drop. Let me spread this around. So in regard to the smell, it's a mint eucalyptus smell, not overwhelming. I would wear this in a combination to the cologne and I don't think they would conflict with each other. As far as a feel, typically what you would expect in a premium beard oil. And again, when you are using beard oil, the key to using the oil is make sure in that you don't just rub it into your beard, but make sure the priority is getting it into your skin. This helps with dry, itchy, flaking skin, helps keep it moisturized. That is the beard oil. Now, diving a little bit further into this company, their outlook isn't just beards. It isn't solely prioritized on beards, but it's also skincare as well. Here we have a facial cleanser, and with this cleanser it has aloe vera, vitamin C, willow bark, and it's a cleanser to where it has those exfoliating beads in it. So in addition to cleaning your skin, it also exfoliates. Now, pertaining to the scent, it has a really like a fresh, clean scent to it, and it actually reminds me of other facial moisturizers in regard to that very, again, a clean, kind of a crisp, clean, almost minty, but not really. It's called Skin Fuel for Men Daily Power Scrub Facial Cleaner. Again, it's a 8-ounce bottle, and this goes for $24.95. So here's that. Starting to have a little pile over here. Next up, we have, after you have washed and exfoliated your face, you have the face cream. Now I'll go ahead, I'll read the directions right off the back. It says, apply a dime-sized amount to your fingertips and gently massage onto your face in a circular motion. For best results, use daily, both morning and night after our Age Defense Eye Complex, which is the next one up. You know what, but before we go to the eye complex, let's go ahead and open this box. But yeah, so Age Defense Face Cream. Let me read on the back. It says, get all the defense from rough, dry skin with our most moisturizing formula yet. Powerful alloy, vitamin E, and glycolic acid restore hydration while fighting the effects of aging and exposure to harmful elements. Step up your regimen with this heavy-duty, nutrient-packed formula to confidently put your face forward. Actually, to confidently put your best face forward. So this is the face cream. Now going into the eye cream, and it's the Age Defense Eye Complex. And again, this has aloe, peptides, green tea. And this one says the multi-action formula combats visible fatigue, defends against fine lines and wrinkles, diminishes dark circles, I definitely need to be using this, and alleviates puffy under eye bags. The advanced blend of natural ingredients and anti-aging peptides instantly soothes, revives, and hydrates problem areas for a healthy and refreshed appearance. So in all honesty, this will be something that I will be using starting today. And again, this is something that, generally speaking, women talk about and utilize all the time in regards to age defense, wrinkles, and whatnot. And it's almost like guys don't really talk about it. And personally, me, I don't drink enough water, and I don't do anything for my face like I should, like we all should, in order to be kind of proactive and kind of get an upper hand in the battle against aging. I know it's inevitable, but at least we can do things to kind of be proactive and do what we can to prolong, prevent, kind of like push off the whole aging process. It feels like slime. So we have the cream, the Age Defense Face Cream, which was definitely a cream, no smell to it. And this is like a slime, like a gel. I'm not really sure if you can see this or not. But yeah, let me see. So now as far as directions, apply to clean skin by gently and evenly dabbing a small amount of product around the eyes, forehead, and cheek area where expression lines appear. For best results, use consistently morning and night. This is the multi-action formula, combats visible fatigue, defends against fine lines and wrinkles, diminishes dark circles, and alleviates puffy under eye bags. The advanced blend of natural ingredients and anti-aging peptides instantly soothes, revives, and hydrates problem areas for a healthy and refreshed appearance. This will be something that I'm going to be implementing into my routine, honestly. Will I stick with it? I don't know, but I'm going to try to. So that is the Age Defense Eye Complex. And this is $21.95 for 1 ounce. So I guess it's kind of like an arsenal of armor for your face, I guess is one way you can look at it. So let me put these up right here. And lastly, in our box, we have Moisture Fix Lip Balm. And in this box, they have 4 lip balms right here. This set right here is $12.95. Let's see what this smells like. So it's like it's a mint lip balm. And in all honesty, I never really used lip balm, but I have it in front of me, so I might as well use it and try it out. Feels like chapstick. It smells really good. I like this. There we have it. Rugged and Dapper are the products that we just went over. Everything from the cologne to the face wash to the face cream to the eye complex and the beard balms. Phenomenal stuff. I really do like the smells of the products. And again, their website is www.ruggedandapper.com. You can find information there, and you can also go to their Instagram and see what I was talking about again in regard to their style and approach of the brand. I hope that you choose to kind of join me on this venture of not only taking care of our beards, for those of us that have beards, but also taking care of ourselves in regards to our health and our skin, and kind of trying to fend off the aging process. Though I know it's inevitable, but at least we can do what we can to kind of deter it for the time being. So yeah, let's do this. And as always, I hope that you found this video helpful, perhaps intriguing. If you did, please go ahead and give this a thumbs up, and maybe even subscribe if you haven't or aren't already. Until next time, peace. See ya.